Hello guys. So here is my Arduino project that I wanted to show you. This is a sample producer with a IR beam sensors that I just plugged here. So they're plugged. Those are the receiver. Those are the emitter for the laser beams. So you can see the little lights here on the video. I can't see them in live. Here I just had a name to each receiver. So this one is a receiver though, and just to find them on the code later. Here are the white wires are just plugged to a digital wire here. So the here, yeah, number 4, 5, 6, and 7. And red and black are, of course, just wired to the ground for the black and the red to the 5 volts. So here is my code. I just assigned them here to each digital pins, so the 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are the current state that they're gonna be, so bright or not. Here are the different pins they're entered, so I just like had them and pulled up them and had the pull up to just activate them. Here is the velocity of the sound played. So I put it on 1 million, so there'll not be any delay or too much delay when I play the sounds. Here are the are where the read state of the sensor. So here it's permit then in the if statement to find the real state of the sensor. So for example, in this if statement, the loop A is the method I created and I put the sound in. So if the sensor is breaked, it's gonna play these methods. So here are the methods. So loop A, they're gonna print A broken first, so this is not matter. But they're gonna print then love, who's linked to a code here that I put in Visual Studio, where I had the same velocity here, 1 million. I just created all those variables. Then here I put them in the same methods to just so the sound can be downloaded quickly, and so it can be faster and the console doesn't take too much time to play the sound and there's not too much delay. So then, as I told you, they're gonna just call different names. You have to call them through the Arduino IDE here. Arduino IDE, you just have to call the name. Then it's a code that I've been created. I didn't create it, did it? But you just have to call the name and it's gonna play the music that I assigned here, and you have to put the file of the music in wave in the debug session of your Visual Studio Code. Now I'm gonna show you the drum set. So the invisible drum set here, as you can see. Sorry for my phone, it's really bad but video quality, so I'm gonna upload it right now. Oh, sadly it didn't work because this is already working, and now it should be alright. Here is beautiful. So drums is kind of simpler. It's the same code. I just have one more thing, LED turning on when the beam is broken, so I can really see if the beam is broken or not. So let's try it out. Here, maybe you can't hear it. I'm gonna put it louder. Here, nice. Nicely done. This is the sound from Visual Studio. The B1 with the bass. You see, it's quite. There's no much delay, so I really worked on the delay then, and I had had to put it on 1 million velocity. And here is a snare. So I will just like do. here is like a really bad beat. I'm sorry, but I have only one hand. So here is for example. So I already uploaded, and it's supposed to work. So here I'm gonna break the number T, and instantly the noise is playing. So unfortunately I have to wait that each noise ends so I can play another. So that's why the sample play is kind of a unfinished device. But I had another code that I'm gonna just show you later. So this is the main console for Visual Studio with playing the sound. So here is the C up, breaking it. Here the sound is coming. This one's not too long, I think. So you can of course add any song that you want. It has to be a WAV file, and you need to put them in your files in the debug session of your file. So then the B one. So no, is it the same? It's just that here the wake up and wake up are the same sounds. So it's wake up from Rage Against the Machine, if you know it. Just a sample that I cut from the sound. And then a rise here. So this sound is Rise from El Palper. It's a really nice song if you don't know it. And then the A one, I'm breaking it. So this is a loft that I played with. The delay is a bit too long, and then this is all the other sounds I'm playing. So the sync and the source. The source is really quick though. And here was my project. I hope you liked it.